Are you a massage or health professional looking for an easy way to get new clients into your business? And maybe you've been told, there's a bunch of marketing you got to do. You got to jump around, dance on social media, a whole lot of different things that just seem like a lot of work for not much gain. Or maybe you've been trying paid ads before and found that you're just wasting money and not getting many results from it. Well, that's exactly why I've made this course called Simple Lead Ads for Fast Bookings. Advertising on Instagram and Facebook is one of the easiest and most direct ways to get new clients coming through your door. But the trick is that many health professionals just haven't had the training to know exactly how to actually do those ads that are going to be as effective as possible. So in this training, I've put together just a handful of really quick and simple videos guiding you through a lead ad that is going to be super effective for you, that you can just follow along with, get online straight away. Like literally, there's a handful of videos that'll take you under 2 hours to get through this whole thing and have your actual ad online ready to go. And from there, getting those leads in and getting those bookings coming through to your calendar can happen very, very quickly. In fact, it's not unusual to see results like these that you can see on your screen right here.
Well, we took the advice from James and we managed to create an ad spending only $10, and we made $3,000 in revenue from that ad, which is pretty cool.
Yeah, it was a simple ad, but very effective in the wording, the picture, and I guess it was learning how to attract the right audience.
This works great for you personally if you are looking to gather more clients in, but it also works great for team members if you happen to have a new team member or someone who doesn't have enough bookings for themselves, or sometimes also if you're introducing a new service or a new modality that you might be wanting to introduce and you just don't have the bookings yet for that if it's a little bit unknown. So I would very much encourage you to have a look at the results we're getting from these lead ads. There's nothing in here that is faff, that's extra. It's really just the most practical training that you're going to need to be able to get these online straight away and get these kind of results in here. So imagine what it would be like to have something like this in place where you can just turn on the tap, add some budget into the ads, get new bookings coming in whenever you might see a need for them, a quiet week or couple of weeks coming up, and you've got something there, an asset that you can use to continue to create more consistency more easily in your business and save time. So you don't have to be doing all of that other marketing that can take so much time and energy and effort and give a slow response as well. So I would very much encourage you to have a go at this right now. Jump in, grab this simple training, and start getting these practical results for yourself right now.